What's up everyone, Tech Mindset here. In today's video, I have a special surprise for you. We're unboxing PS5. This is the God of War edition. Who knows when they're going to port it to the PC, so this is my only place to play it. And I can play some other PS4 games and PS5 games that I've missed out on over the years. So without further ado, let's open it up and see what's inside. We have power, quick start guide, safety guide, it's like we have a stand here, and HDMI. And a USB cable for the controller. This thing is massive. And I had the OG PS3. Absolutely massive. And since it doesn't come with a God of War disc itself, I have the download, which is kind of a bummer. I'd prefer the actual disc. So, looks like we have power, HDMI, Ethernet, 2 USB 3, and it looks like a lock. Pretty simple in the back. There's no optical out. That's gonna foil my plans, actually. I was expecting an optical out. I guess I should have looked at that first. All right, do not try this at home. There we go. Put the cap off from here. I'm now going to put it right there. Now that's on there. So now, looks like, yeah, so that goes this way. This hole lines up. Thread this bad boy in there. And there we go. And now it's on a stand. One thing I can't wait to test out is how this works with my Alienware QD-OLED panel. Around the time I reviewed it, in my research, I was seeing people saying that it didn't work well with that monitor. However, with a new firmware update, it does look like the PS5 will work now with this monitor, and I can get full HDR and 120 Hz out of it. The only downside is that there is still no ultra-wide support, but I'll take what I can get. Stay tuned for my video of how the PS5 runs on my Alienware monitor. That's all for this one. If you like what you saw, please like, subscribe, and share, and leave a comment for future ideas. Thanks, and I'll catch you in the next one.